Alrighty guys, so today we're looking at the 1959 GMC fleet option utility truck from M2. I really like this one because it's different. What I mean by that is it's got some things that M2 doesn't always use on these trucks. It's got these hubcaps on there that they don't always use. It's got different tires on it, kind of knobbier tires on it. And then with the fleet option, it's got the base grille and the singular headlights. Even though this is an Apache body style truck, 58, starting in 58. I know I said this is a 59, but it still has the singular headlights. And we'll look at all of this out of the box here, but that's what this means by fleet option truck. And I like not just this truck specifically, but I've always kind of liked fleet trucks, you know, just because they're basic and I don't want to say they're different. They're not. There's nothing special about them, but they're different than the regularly optioned vehicles. They're just like the base model, basically. So there's the back of the box. And now we'll open this up. So something I have noticed when this was in the package. Ooh, I need to tighten this screw. I think the utility box is going to come off. But something I noticed was the tires are, I don't want to say they're oversized. Studebaker would call these Desert Stormer tires because that's that was their test running vehicles. They put oversized tires on them for the desert test tracks, but that's not what these are, although they're just about the same kind of tires. These just happen to stick out farther than the regular M2 tires do. Like I say, it's not a big deal. Almost makes the truck look like it's a four-wheel drive. So I don't know if the bigger tires like that were normal for the fleet option truck or not. I know all this stuff is fleet option, the grille and the lights, the singular lights. I gotta tighten that. But nice little truck here. I'm not real sure how smooth this rolls. It doesn't. Doesn't roll very good. I think our cab's not on the chassis all the way either. No, it's not. Alright, I will try to straighten this out before I put it on the turntable. Because, yeah, you can see where that frame is, the chassis kind of coming, it's not level, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But we'll look away from the issues with this thing. It just says 1959 GMC on the bottom. Used under license. I do like these wheels and tires, even if they do stick out from the sides of the truck. A little ball hitch on it. I don't know why when they cast this utility toolbox bed, M2 is pretty good about making stuff right, but they never cast this without the tailgate on it when they put this enclosed box on it. And what that does is make these doors stick out. Cause see, I haven't even seen one for a while, but they make some of these trucks without this topper on the toolbox. Well, then obviously the tailgate looks good and it's needed, but it's not needed with this utility box here. They also never seem to paint these gumball lights on the top. I always have to end up painting those gumball lights on. But other than that, I do like the utility trucks. They just barely fit in these cases. They always have to have the flat base, not the diamond plate one. Hopefully the hood opens. Yep. I think that's a little straight 6. Isn't it? Yeah, I guess the the very, very base model trucks did have little bitty engines in them, which made these trucks not real good in hilly areas. It was all it was all they could do to go up the hill. I had forgotten about that. That was something. So yeah, M2 pretty well did a good job with the fleet option stuff. They even did the smaller engine in there, which I really like that detail. That's a neat little detail that unless you open the hood you wouldn't know. So I will straighten this thing out and get everything sitting properly on here, and then I'll get this on the turntable for you. That way you can see what it's supposed to look like. And maybe it'll roll a little better by then too. So like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, so I got this fixed. The casting, there's some kind of crude casting lines along the edge of this here truck, the cab, and you have to put this side of the chassis in first and then pop this side in, or else it won't go together, which means the machine that puts these together would not have been able to do that or even figure that out. So you can see now the wheels are level with the bumper, and now it rolls. It's still a little lumpy, but it rolls like a normal M2 now instead of something more crudely built. So now we'll put this on the turntable now that it is put together the right way.